Warpp Engineers Pvt Ltd, a trailblazer in the welding sector since 1994, was established by Mr. Prabhudas Gola and Mr. Ramakant Bhagavat. Our company has emerged as a preeminent name in the realm of welding machines across India. With operations spanning 3 major facilities and an expansive infrastructure of 42,200 square feet, Warpp Engineers is synonymous with cutting-edge technology and innovation. Our advanced machinery manufactures a comprehensive range of superior welding machines, cutting machines, and automation solutions. Examining the figures, we boast an impressive annual production capacity exceeding 10,000 welding machines and offer more than 100 different models, which can also be tailored to diverse customer requirements under a special category named as SPM Special Purpose Machine. We employ the finest materials and processes to ensure our machines are robust, efficient, and enduring. At the heart of our operation is relentless innovation. Our dedicated R&D team strives incessantly to pioneer new products and enhance existing ones. Our in-house R&D department has garnered recognition from the Ministry of Science and Technology under the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Quality is paramount at Warpp Engineers. Under the guidance of our directors, our team of over 200 seasoned professionals is devoted to achieving unparalleled customer satisfaction. Our dedicated service team plays a vital role in maintaining seamless operation of our services. Their professionalism, attention to detail, and relentless pursuit of excellence propel us to achieve greater successes. Our stores are systematically organized to facilitate easy access and inventory control, allowing us to manage our premium materials with precision. Each item is carefully catalogued and stored under optimal conditions to preserve its quality and integrity at apex. This organized approach not only enhances our operational efficiency, but also supports our mission to provide exceptional value to our customers. Our core values: empowerment, integrity, transparency, innovation, and responsibility steer us towards delivering exceptional quality and fostering a brighter future. Our welding machines are highly esteemed and utilized across a spectrum of industries, including fabrication units, shipbuildings, steel industries, structural engineering, railways, training institutions, food and pharma equipment industry, and aviation sector. We adeptly cater to various industrial demands, propelling them to new heights. At Warpp Engineers, quality is non-negotiable. We conduct exhaustive testing at every stage of the manufacturing process, using state-of-the-art equipment to ensure our products meet the highest standards by all virtues. Carefully packed and dispatched, our products reach customers in optimal condition and ready for performing in no time. Our reach extends beyond India, with products available nationwide and exported to countries such as Egypt, the Middle East, the USA, and Africa. Over 50,000 machines are currently in operation across various industries, which is a testimony in itself. So, what distinguishes Warpp Engineers? Our commitment to new thinking, innovative methods, and groundbreaking advancements. We are shaping the future of India's welding industry